Hello po, ngayon turuan ko kayo ng subtraction trick. Ito yung pang madalian na pag-subtract. Okay po. So, 32 minus 19. So, we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 6. Okay po, parang may pattern po tayo. Okay po. So, 32 minus 19. So, ang gagawin natin, add natin ng 1. So, add 1. Then, 32 plus 1, the answer is 33. 19 plus 1, the answer is 20. So, subtract na natin. We have 3, we have 1. So, the answer is 13. Next. So, 876 minus 768. Plus 2 natin, plus 2. So, 768 plus 2, the answer is 770. Then, 876 plus 2, the answer is 878. Then, subtract. 8, 0, 1. The answer is 108. Next, 4,763 minus 657. Add natin ang 3. So, 4,763 plus 3, the answer is 4,766. 657 plus 3, the answer is 660. So, 6, 0, 1, 4. The answer is 4,106. Next, 100 minus 66. So, ito, hindi na add. Subtract na. 99, then 65. 4, then 3. The answer is 34. Next, 0. So, 1,000 minus 1, the answer is 999. 347 minus 1, the answer is 346. Then, subtract 3. 9 minus 4, the answer is 5. 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. So, 653. So, yung last one, siyempre alam nyo nang gagawin ninyo yung sa last. Sasagutan nyo, ilalagay yung sagot sa comment section. Okay, thank you and good luck.